Lubbock Cooper ISD Reading, Grade 8, Unit 1, Analyzing Fiction and Drama. Which event during the debate does the playwright include to create humor? A. Kylie explaining the format of the debate. B. Mark struggling to fill his allotted time. C. The female student asking a question to both candidates. D. Christy suggesting that Mark is being negative. Number 2. Read this line of dialogue from the play. Christy, I will crush you like a bug. Christy says this to Mark because she F. Plans to work hard during her campaign. G. Thinks her ideas are better than Mark's. H. Knows she has more supporters than Mark does. J. Is trying to intimidate Mark before the debate. Number 3. What do paragraphs 27 and 46 suggest about Kylie? A. She is inexperienced at moderating debates. B. She favors Christy to win the election. C. She thinks she can ask better questions than the audience members. D. She was elected as student body president in the past. Number 4. The stage directions in paragraph 30 indicate that Mark is F. Nervous about debating Christy. G. Surprised to see Christy at the debate. H. Prepared to share his plans for the school. J. Upset that another candidate is running in the election. Number 5. What is the central message presented in the play? A. Keeping promises requires commitment. B. It is unwise to underestimate an opponent. C. Making the right decision can be difficult. D. Competition can bring out the best in people. 6. Read paragraph 51. Mark. I cede the rest of my time to let my opponent lay out her crazy plans. What does the dialogue convey about Mark's attitude towards Christy? F. He believes that Christy is more aware of the issues affecting the school. G. He thinks no one will agree with Christy's opinion on the issues. H. He suspects that Christy had more opportunities to prepare for the debate. J. He predicts that Christy will end up forfeiting the election. Number 7. Originating from the word exponer, meaning to explain, the word expound in paragraph 44 means to A. Understand. B. Take action. C. Depend. D. Provide details. Number 8. Which line from paragraph 27 helps portray Kylie as dramatic? F. The future of our school hangs in the balance. G. In Welcome to Our First Presidential Debate. H. We will be featuring a town hall style tonight. J. Tonight will feature the two candidates for president. 9. Carl's dialogue in the play shows that his feelings about the election change from A. Uninterested to passionate. B. Arrogant to humble. C. Confident to unsure. D. Eager to indifferent. Number 10. Which event from the excerpt suggests that Bird will resolve her conflict? F. Bird remembers that she has food she can share with the girl on the train. G. Bird discusses her book with the girl on the train. H. Bird explains why she dislikes her full name to the girl on the train. J. Bird discovers that the girl on the train is also a pilot. 11. What does Bird's explanation in paragraph 13 reveal to the reader? A. Bird and her mother have different expectations about how Bird should live her life. B. Bird is puzzled by her mother's motivation for giving her an elaborate name. C. Bird's mother thinks Bird should spend more time helping support the family. D. Bird's mother disapproves of the nickname Bird has given herself. 12. The author builds tension at the beginning of the excerpt by F. Suggesting that Bird is uncomfortable talking to people she doesn't know. G. Hinting that the train trip will be lengthy. H. Indicating that Bird does not have the resources to live on her own. J. Implying that Bird has run away from home. 13. Which event initiates the rising action of the excerpt? A. The girl on the train tells Bird that she has reached Texas. B. The girl on the train notices the book Bird is reading. C. Bird is assisted by the conductor at the start of the trip. D. Bird falls asleep while reading her favorite book. 14. Read this sentence from paragraph 10. When I snuck back into the kitchen a few hours later to retrieve it, the heat from the gaslight had cooked the spine, leaving a smoldering black mark. Bird's actions in this sentence best demonstrate her F. Determination to make her mother respect her personal choices. G. Persistence in pursuing her own interests despite the opinions of others. H. Ability to have a positive outlook while encountering challenging circumstances. J. Decisiveness about taking action to do what is best for her family. 15. Read this dictionary entry. Nice. 1. Kind and friendly. 2. Appealing or attractive. 3. Pleasing or satisfying. 4. Showing accuracy or skill. Which definition most closely matches the way the word nice is used in paragraph 11? A. Definition 1. B. Definition 2. C. Definition 3. D. Definition 4. 16. The sensory language in paragraph 1 helps the reader understand that Bird, F, believes that she is prepared for her journey. G, wishes she could use a different form of transportation. H, thinks that she will not enjoy such a long train ride. J, is impressed by the fine features of the train's interior. 17. For Bird, going to Sweetwater most likely represents A, the opportunity to be a valued member of a group. B, her willingness to accept more responsibilities. C, her desire to learn from past experiences. D, to change the chance for her to use her imagination. 18. What is the best summary of the excerpt? F, Bird is riding on a train to Sweetwater, Texas. She meets a young woman who is traveling to the same place. Bird shares food with the young woman, and they talk about a book they both have read. G, as Bird rides on a train to Texas, she remembers how her mother once took away her favorite book about a female pilot. Bird meets a young woman who notices that Bird's book is in bad condition. They soon realize that they are both traveling to Sweetwater. H, Bird dreams of flying, but her mother does not understand and forbids Bird from even reading about a female pilot. Bird decides to travel to Sweetwater, Texas, to train as an Air Force pilot. While riding the train, she meets a young woman who understands how she feels and shares her dream. J, Bird is traveling to Sweetwater, Texas by train. She falls asleep while reading her book, and when she awakens, a young woman explains that the train has already reached Texas. Bird finds out that the young woman is also going to Sweetwater and is delighted to make the acquaintance of another female pilot. 19. The final sentence of this excerpt suggests that Bird most likely feels A, frustrated, B, insincere, C, accomplished, D, hopeful. 20. Read this sentence from paragraph 18. And before I know it, the tears start streaming down my face, and for a moment I feel like I'm watching myself from outside of my body. What does the figurative language in this sentence convey about Bird? F, she wishes she did not have to share her compartment with another passenger. G, she doubts her decision to abandon her comfortable life in Iowa. H, she feels overwhelmed when she meets someone who shares her interest. J, she does not want to appear weak in front of a fellow pilot.